Today, we're going to talk about Hongo Cura Spray, Non-Aerosol. This medication is used to treat skin fungal infections such as athlete's foot and jock itch. It contains undecylenic acid, which is a fatty acid that works by preventing the growth of fungus. It's important to note that this product should not be used to treat fungal infections of the scalp or nails. For best results, it's recommended to apply the spray to the affected area twice a day, in the morning and evening. It's important to continue using the medication for the full treatment time, even if symptoms improve. Remember to always follow the dosage instructions provided by your healthcare professional and consult with them if you have any concerns or questions about using this medication. This medication is meant to be used only on the skin. Make sure the area is clean and completely dry before applying the medication. You should apply it to the affected skin, typically 2 times a day as directed by your doctor or the product package. The amount and duration of treatment will depend on the type of infection being treated. Apply enough medication to cover the affected area and a bit of the surrounding skin. After applying the medication, be sure to wash your hands. Do not wrap, cover, or bandage the treated area. Avoid applying this medication in the eyes, nose, mouth, or vagina. If this happens, flush with plenty of water. If irritation occurs, contact your doctor immediately. Use this medication regularly to get the most benefit from it. Try to use it at the same times each day. Continue using this medication for the full duration as directed, even if your symptoms improve after a few days. Stopping the medication too early may cause the infection to come back. Let your doctor know if your condition persists after 2 to 4 weeks, gets worse at any time, or if you think you may have a serious medical problem. If you experience irritation or burning on the treated skin, let your doctor or pharmacist know. Your doctor has determined that the benefits of using this medication outweigh the risks of side effects. Most people using this medication do not experience serious side effects. Serious allergic reactions to this drug are rare, but seek medical help immediately if you notice symptoms such as rash, swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. If you notice any other effects, contact your doctor or pharmacist. Before using Hongo Cura Spray, Non-Aerosol, make sure to talk to your doctor or pharmacist if you have any allergies or health concerns. It's important to let your doctor or dentist know about all the products you use before having surgery. If you are pregnant or breastfeeding, consult your doctor before using this medication. When using Hongo Cura Spray, Non-Aerosol, it's important to be aware of potential drug interactions that could affect how your medications work or increase your risk for serious side effects. Make sure to keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription and non-prescription drugs, as well as herbal products, and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. It's crucial not to start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without your doctor's approval. This will help ensure the safe and effective use of Hongo Cura Spray, Non-Aerosol. Also, make sure to follow the recommended daily dosage and use it at the optimal timing for the best results. If this medication is accidentally swallowed, it could be harmful. If someone has taken too much and is experiencing severe symptoms like fainting or difficulty breathing, it's important to seek immediate medical attention by calling 911 or contacting a poison control center. In the U.S., residents can call their local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222, and in Canada, residents can call a provincial poison control center. Always be cautious and keep this medication out of reach of children. It is important not to share Hongo Cura Spray, Non-Aerosol with others. When using this medication to treat athlete's foot, it is recommended to wear well-ventilated shoes and change socks at least once a day to help with the treatment process. If you forget to use the Hongo Cura Spray, Non-Aerosol at the scheduled time, use it as soon as you remember. If it is close to the time of your next dose, just skip the missed dose and use the next dose at your regular time. Do not take a double dose to make up for the missed one. Make sure to check the storage information on the package and keep the medication out of reach of children and pets. Do not dispose of the medication by flushing it down the toilet or pouring it into a drain unless specifically instructed to do so. When the product is expired or no longer needed, be sure to properly dispose of it. You can consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for guidance on how to do so. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.